I built a professional website in just a few seconds. No coding, no developer, no designer. Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what I thought at first. Let's be honest, building a website can feel overwhelming. You spend hours adjusting layouts, changing colors, fixing small details, and somehow something still does not look right. It can be frustrating and honestly, a little exhausting. I have been there too, staring at the screen and wondering why it has to be so complicated. But then I found Reality AI and everything became simple. With just a few clicks, I had a stunning, fully functional website. It looked clean, modern, and completely professional. And the best part? It was not just beautiful, it was smart. I added booking and scheduling features in seconds. Now my clients can book appointments instantly without any back and forth messages. No missed opportunities, no extra effort from my side. It just works. And here is something I really love. Reality AI lets you add a chat assistant that answers questions automatically. One night, around midnight, a client sent me a message. I was fast asleep, but the assistant replied perfectly and handled everything smoothly. When I woke up, the conversation was already taken care of. That felt amazing. That is when I realized this is more than just a website builder. It feels like having a small digital assistant working for you all day and all night. So whether you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or someone just starting out, Reality AI makes website building effortless. You simply type what you want, upload your images, and watch the AI bring everything together beautifully. No stress, no long hours, just fast, professional results. If you are tired of complicated tools and want something simple, smart, and effective, give Reality AI a try today. Trust me, it can save you time, reduce frustration, and help your website look absolutely amazing. To get started, simply head over to Reality AI by clicking the link in the description and sign up for your new account. The process is quick and easy. Within minutes, you are ready to build. With Reality AI, you can effortlessly generate designs that look perfect on both desktop and mobile. Everything adjusts beautifully. It is all about flexibility, convenience, and making your life easier. Now, let's dive into the fun part, website creation. In the text box, simply type a detailed prompt describing the exact look and feel you want for your website. Be clear, be specific. The more details you give, the better the result will be. And if you have a reference image that inspires you, upload it. That helps the AI understand your vision even better. Once you hit the send button, Reality AI instantly starts working. It automatically creates a full section structure based on your idea. You will see a hero section, an about us section, services, a contact section, and more, all generated for you. And the best part? You are in control. If you want to add an extra section, you can easily add it. If you want to remove something, you can remove it in seconds. You have complete freedom to customize the structure exactly the way you like. Next comes the logo. Reality AI will automatically generate a logo that matches your website's style. If you like the suggested logo, you can use it right away. If you already have your own logo, just upload it. And if you want to explore more options, you can regenerate the logo until you find the perfect one. Once you are happy with your logo, simply click on Next and move forward. Now sit back and relax. Reality AI will get to work and start building your website. It takes care of everything. You do not need to touch any code. Every detail you mentioned in your prompt will be included. And here is a small secret. The better your prompt, the better your website will look. I have also shared this exact prompt in my Telegram group. The link is in the description, so you can check it out and get an idea of how to write a strong prompt for your own website. And just like that, within moments, your website is ready. Let's check it out. Wow, just look at this. No coding, no complex setup, just one simple prompt, and now you have a fully professional website right in front of you. Honestly, people normally pay thousands of dollars to designers for something like this, and you just created it in minutes. That is powerful. And I made this entire website with just one prompt. You can see the main interface right here. The text looks clean, everything is properly structured, and all the important sections are already added, including About Us, Services, Portfolio, FAQs, contact information, and even client reviews. Honestly, it feels a little like magic. Everything is already in place. And the best part, anything I want to edit or replace, I can do it easily, right here. For example, it suggested adding a smooth scroll animation, and boom, it was done in just a few seconds. No complicated settings, no confusion, just simple and fast customization. Now comes the real magic, the voice assistant feature. To enable the voice assistant, simply type add smart chat and voice assistant in my project and press enter. Instantly, Reality AI adds a smart chat and voice assistant directly to your website. This smart assistant interacts with your visitors just like a real person. It answers questions, helps users navigate the site, and even handles appointment bookings automatically. Everything is transcribed in real time, which makes your website feel alive, active, and responsive. It honestly feels like having a 24/7 virtual assistant working for you, guiding visitors, answering their questions, and helping them book services without any effort from your side. Setting up appointment booking is also quick and simple. Just select your availability, choose the meeting duration, and hit save. That's it. Your clients can now book time with you easily, anytime they want. And the beauty of Ready AI does not stop there. The live editing feature allows you to refine your website anytime, making it as dynamic and flexible as your business needs. Simply select the selector tool, and you can instantly change any part of your website. Whether it is text, images, or even the layout, everything updates live and in real time, no coding required. For example, I just updated the hero section text with a few clicks. You can also edit roles, titles, or any small detail on the spot, all without touching a single line of code. Simple, fast, and honestly, very satisfying to use. Customizing images and backgrounds is just as easy. One simple click and you've got a brand new look. And if you want to redesign an entire page, it's just a simple enter one prompt and Ready AI does the rest. The real power of Ready AI is in making your site flexible, dynamic, and uniquely yours, all in real time. With just one prompt, you can completely transform a page. For example, I wanted a sleeker, more modern contact form. I typed a single prompt, and just like that, the page was beautifully transformed. It's incredibly easy to personalize your site exactly the way you want without any heavy lifting. The contact form generated by Ready AI is smart, automated, and fully integrated. You can customize the fields, add context, and expand the form to match your business needs. When a visitor fills it out, all the details, name, email, phone, service, and message are sent straight to your email and stored for easy follow-up. I know, you're already impressed, but wait, there's more. Ever felt overwhelmed by managing appointments, keeping track of client details, or worrying about missed bookings? Ready AI simplifies it all with the Booking Summaries feature. In the appointment section, you can see all scheduled, past, and canceled bookings, along with the chat history with that client, everything in one convenient place. And here's where it gets even better. Email reminders. Once a client books an appointment, you automatically receive a detailed confirmation with all the appointment details. This means less manual work for you, fewer missed appointments, and a more professional experience for your clients. Another powerful feature is the leads system. Ready AI automatically generates leads from every visitor interaction, whether through chat or voice. Every conversation, every question, every booking becomes a potential lead, neatly stored and ready for follow-up. And now, once everything is ready, it's time to publish your website live. You can export the project, and you can also share your design with others using a simple shareable link. Look at how quickly we've built a professional website perfectly customized to your needs, all without any coding skills. If you're ready to save time, reduce stress, and get your business online in minutes, don't wait. Sign up for Ready AI today and take the first step toward transforming your business. After all, why spend hours struggling when you can achieve it all in just a few clicks? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. Your feedback helps us create even better content just for you.